Here we are again today, hanging with the cows out in the farm field, doing a little digging today. So just got down maybe about 4 or 5 inches. Pulled this guy out. So looks like there's a coin in that clump there. I'm not sure what it is yet. We're gonna go find out. And got the little guy here open. Let's see what we happen. Oh, look at that! What is that? Some form of token, I think. Not sure. We'll have to clean it up. We'll get back to you. Beautiful sunrise out here, digging with Doug. Say hi, Doug. Woohoo! It's big. That's sweet. That's a beautiful buckle, man. Nice find. Thanks. Getting a solid 81, 82, about 6 inches deep on the AT Pro and the Nell Storm coil. So we're going to pop it together and see what happens. So, sit you up. Hopefully, something good. Gloves on, back on real quick. There you go. There it is. Looks like a buggy brake. Cool. Let's see. I see something in there.
It's pretty deep. Oh my goodness.
Memorial.